In this video, you will learn basic navigation of your employer portal in NC Suits, including how to use the different icons, information tiles and menu options on the main home screen. Upon logging into the system, NC Suits displays your employer portal home screen. The home screen is divided into your main screen with several informational tiles, your left navigation panel, and your top global icons and navigation panel. During this video, we will explore each of these sections, as well as other common features. We'll begin with the top global icon and navigation panel. Your username, employer ID, and employer name are displayed on the top of the screen. The Home button is displayed on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click this button to return to this employer portal home screen from anywhere in the system. Click the previous button to return to the previous screen in the system. Be sure to click this button and not the return button in your browser when navigating to a previous screen. Click the print button to print the active screen. This is called a breadcrumb navigator. The breadcrumb displays on the top of each screen. It displays the screen name, an X icon to close the active screen, and previous and next arrows to navigate to visited screens. The Alerts and Messages box is where you can find your notifications. Messages are notifications related to your employer account, such as confirmation messages of account maintenance, wage submissions, and payments. Alerts are notifications of actions that must be completed in a timely manner, such as acquisition action items. Access your messages or alerts inbox by selecting the available hyperlinks. Within this video, we will navigate to the Messages inbox. The Messages inbox displays your unread and read messages. To read a message, select the subject hyperlink. Read the message and click the Close button. Return to the home screen by clicking the Home icon. The home screen displays several informational tiles. The Unread Message tile displays your unread inbox messages. Click the button to view your inbox. The Employer Information tile displays your account basics, such as employer account ID, current UI tax rate, FEIN, liability date, and more. The Wages Filing and Payment tile displays a chart of your wage and payment status. Click the button to file wages. Total Unpaid Taxes and Amount Due tile displays a breakdown of your payment due. Click the button to make a payment. Benefit Charges displays any charges per quarter. The Quick Actions tile displays hyperlinks to commonly performed transactions, such as change address and phone, change communication preferences, and agent assignment. Main menu items are located in the Your Options panel. Click any main menu item to navigate to related screens within NC Suits. In this video we will click the Account Maintenance main menu item. The Account Maintenance main menu item navigates to the Employer Account Maintenance screen. Here, you will see icons related to account maintenance functions. Examples include Agent Assignment, Change Business Name, and General Employer Maintenance, such as an address change. Click any one of these icons to navigate to the place in the system where the process is performed. Return to the home screen. This is the Navigator panel. Click to open the panel. The Navigator panel displays hyperlinks to your last visited screens, and a thumbnail of the screen. You may click the hyperlink to navigate directly to that screen. At the end of your session, be sure to log out of NC Suits. To log out, click the drop-down with your username in the upper right-hand corner, then click Log Out. This concludes the video overview on how to navigate your employer portal in NC Suits. For more information on the topics presented in this video, please visit des.nc.gov/NC Suits.